In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with creating a people list using Apollo.io, a robust platform that's excellent for managing and growing your professional network. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting, these tips will help you make the most of your experience. So let's dive right in. To kick things off, we'll first navigate to the home section of Apollo. This is essentially the hub of everything you'll be doing in Apollo, with easy access to all the features this platform offers. So, open your browser and head over to apollo.io, and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're at the home page, the next thing you'll want to do is click on the option to create a new people list. Lists are a great way to keep your contacts organized, making it easier to manage and reach out to different groups based on your needs. You'll usually find this option by navigating to the Lists section, typically marked in your dashboard. Simply locate that and give it a click. After you've clicked to create a new list, you should start thinking about the name for your list. Here's a little tip. Think about the purpose of this list. Is it for potential clients, a list of partners, or maybe a list for a specific project? Naming your list based on its purpose not only makes it more meaningful, but also helps you find it faster when your lists start growing. Once you've decided on a name, you'll find a field where you can type in the name for your new list. Enter the chosen name in the provided field. This small but crucial step is what ties everything together, making sure that your list is easily identifiable amidst the others. The final step in this process is to hit the Create button. This is what ultimately realizes your efforts, setting up your list for you to populate with your chosen contacts. Remember, it's always a good idea to review your list and ensure everything is named correctly before creating it, ensuring it aligns with your organizational strategy. And there you have it, a straightforward way to create and organize a people list on Apollo.io. Taking the few minutes to do this can greatly streamline your communication processes and ensure you're always connected to the right people. So go ahead, give it a try, and start managing your network more efficiently today. Remember, the tools you utilize effectively can elevate your professional experience. And with Apollo.io, you're well on your way. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with anyone else who might benefit. Happy networking.